So let us start the next question, next exercise, that is 3.4 matrices. This is the final exercise that we will be dealing. What they have told us here, using elementary transformation, what we have to find the inverse of the matrix if it exists. Okay, it is existing or no, we will discuss it later how to identify that. Now suppose this matrix is A. Okay, so before we go to this sum, I'll explain you what is elementary transformation. What all you can do. You can interchange row, like R1 is changing to R2.
Yes.
Correct. You can interchange the same way column also. C1 changes to C2. You can add two columns, C1 plus C2, or you can subtract two columns. And you can do scalar multiplication for any row or column. Okay. These all operations hold good for row as well as column. Okay. Now row 1 changes to 1 by 2 times row 1. असं भी करू शकता. You can even write it as R1 changes to 1 by 2 R1 plus R2. You can do even such all the operations which are required in order to find the inverse. Okay. Now what you know, see here, A into A inverse is nothing but identity matrix. This you know already. So do you know A? What is A? This given matrix. So I will write this given matrix 1 minus 1 2 3. Here it is A inverse is equals to I. Clear? Now I is what? Identity matrix 1 0 0 and 1. So this is your identity matrix. This is A inverse. This is identity matrix. This is A. Okay. Now what you are going to do? You are going to convert. You are going to convert this A matrix into identity matrix. Do whatever you want. I mean, within these boundaries. In this boundaries, do whatever you want, such that I should get an identity matrix over here. Okay. जो बाद में उसका conclusions होगा, that we will see later. But you have to convert this in identity matrix. तो कैसे करने वाले हैं हम? See, identity matrix तुमच्या डोक्यात असायला पाहिजे. Anytime तुमच्या डोक्यात असायला पाहिजे. Here this position identity matrix मध्ये काय असते? 1 असते. हाय ऑलरेडी. हां, विषय संपला. कसं तुम्ही कन्वर्शन कसं करत जाणार? You should go like this. Okay? ऐसे. First you will convert this, second you will convert this, third you will convert this, fourth you will convert this. Okay? Now tell me, this is already 1, so there is no problem. So row 1 मध्ये माझं काय काम उरलं नाही. I'll write row 1 as it is. So 1 minus 1 I'll write A inverse. So here also 1 and 0. जो भी काम होगा मेरा row 2 में होगा. Okay? Now what do I have here? 2. I want to change it to 0 because identity मध्ये ह्या पोझिशनला काय असतं? 0 असतं. So therefore, see what I will do. R2 changes to R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R1. Is it fine? Why did I do this? R2 is what? 2 minus 2 नंतर हो गया. What is R1? 1. Substitute here. हे होगा. R2 is what? 2 minus 2 into what is R1? 1. So 2 1 are 2 minus 2. Did I get 0 here? So should I write 0? Yes. Okay. इसका काम बन गया. Now within this what all is there? R2 मध्ये change करना था, पूरा row change करना. You are not only going to change one element, you are going to change all the elements. So 3 is there. Again same formula. ह्याला आम्हाला convert करायचं नाही आहे. काय आन्सर येतं का येतं? हे फॉर्म्युला आहे. What is R2? What is R2? R3 minus 2 into what is R1? Minus 1. So 3 minus into minus is plus 2. 3 plus 2. You should write 5. Okay. Next. Here you see 0 high. What is here R2? R2 is what? 0 minus 2 into what is R1? 1. Correct. So 2 into 1 is minus 2. Correct. So you write minus 2 over here. Hela apply kara. R2 is what? 1 minus 2 into what is R1? 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. This remains to be 1 itself. Okay. Understood here? सेकंड रो आम्ही पूरा कन्वर्ट केलो यूजिंग विच फॉर्म्युला, दिस फॉर्म्युला. ओके, नाउ लेट्स जस्ट मूव अहेड. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट आय वांट टू मेक. आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये ह्या पोझिशनला काय असतं, 1 असते. हियर इट विल बी 1. सो आय हॅव टू ब्रिंग हियर 1. सो what is the best way whenever you want to bring 1 into your matrix? Division is the key. Which is the key? Division is the key. Division म्हटल्यावर आम्ही डिव्हिजन कुठेही बघितलेलं नाही आहे, but we have seen multiplication. If you multiply 1 by 5, what you will get?
1.
5 ला जर 1 by 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय केला तर 1 घालणार आहे ना. So best way is always R2 changes to R2 1 by 5 R2 changes to 1 by 5 R2. ये भी कर सकते हैं ना. We have already seen this in the introduction. Now see here again R1 में कुछ चेंज कर रहे हैं हम? No. So please write R1 as it is first. पहला लिख के खत्म कर दो बात. A inverse is equals to 1 0. Okay? Okay. Understanding clear? We have written R2 चा ऑपरेशन क्या दिला है? R2 what क्या लिखे हैं हम? R2 changes to 1 by 5 of R2. So let me write here. See 0 into 1 by 5. 0 into 1 by 5 is 0. So this is no change. We are keeping as it is. Now 5 into 1 by 5 1. Minus 2 into 1 by 5 1 into 1 by 5 1 by 5. Okay. Now let's go further. Now how is your path? We are going like this, no? तो इसका जुगाड़ हो गया अभी. इसका जुगाड़ हो गया. Now इसका जुगाड़ करना है. What you have to do there? 0 you should get. क्या लाना है उधर? 0 लाना है. So therefore change किधर करेंगे? R2 में R1, right? So you are going to change in R1. R1 changes to -1 है. -1 है. What I do, just observe. R1 changes to R1 plus R2 because R1 क्या है? -1. R2 क्या है? 1. -1 plus 1 0 you are getting or not? Okay. So therefore R1 में चेंज कर रहे हो, R1 में कर रहे हो, R2 में कुछ कर रहे हो क्या? No. So write R2 as it is. पहले के बाद R2 लिख दो. -2 by 5 1 by 5. Okay. R1 में you are going to make all the changes. So R1 changes to, see here this position 1 plus 0. R1 plus R2 ना, 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. -1 plus 1 0. 1, see here 1, that is R1 plus of -2 by 5. Correct, no? Plus into minus is minus. 1 minus 2 by 5. 5 1 is 5 minus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5 fractions. 3 by 5. Now R1 plus R2, 0 plus 1 by 5. So identity matrix, see I into A inverse is what? 3 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. I into any matrix is inverse. So A inverse is equals to this matrix. Okay. So how we start? A into A inverse is equals to I. In the full procedure, what we are doing? Converting this A matrix into identity matrix, and how the flow is this way. Why all the operations you get A inverse is equals to this. Okay. So let us see another sum that is based on the same thing again, using elementary transformation converter, find A inverse. Okay. So let A is equals to this matrix, that is 2 1 1 and 1. Now A into A inverse is what? Identity matrix. So therefore I will write here A is what? 2 1 1 1 into A inverse, I don't know, is equal to identity matrix is what? 1 0 0 and 1. Okay. So in identity matrix at this position what will be there? This is 1 should be there. Okay. So you have two options over here. You can do either R1 changes to 1 by 2 R1. R1 changes to 1 by 2 R1, or R1 changes to R1 minus R2, because 2 minus 1 is what? 1 itself. You can do both the ways. Okay. So we will go by multiplication method. Why? I'll tell you why. Then R1 changes to 1 by 2 R1. So it means what? This position what you will get? 1. This position 1 by 2 is A inverse is equals to 1 by 2 and 0. So R2 में कुछ change करने को क्या? No. So R2 write as it is 1 1 0 and 1. Okay. Now did you get 1 over here? क्या चाहिए था वो मिल गया. Now what I do is R2 में change करने वाले because flow is like this, right? Flow is like this. उल्टा U में. So R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Simple. 1 minus 1 0. So therefore 1 by 2 A inverse 1 by 2 0. Now what is this? 0. This is what? 1 itself. Okay, नहीं here कैसे बनाएगा? R2 minus R1 no 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2. Okay, which is equal to 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 0 1. Okay, so this is what happens now. Now what you have to get here? 1 you have to get. So therefore again R2 changes to 2 times R2 because 2 into 1 by 2 is what? 1. So therefore I get 1. So R2 में change कर रहे हो R1 वैसे ही रख दो. So R1 is what? 1 half A inverse is equals to 1 by 2 and 0. 1 by 2 0. Now R2 changes to R2 2 times R2. So 2 into 0 is what? 0. 1 by 2 into 2 1. 2 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Clear? Understood? Clear? Okay. Now इस पोजीशन पे 1 ला दिया. अभी इसके ऊपर काम कर रहा है. What you have to get there? 0, right? So how you will get that? That is the see. R1 changes to 1 by 2 है ना? You have to get R1 changes to R1 minus 1 by 2 R2. See, R1 changes to R1 का है 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. What is R2? 1. So therefore R2 is what? 1, no? So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2? 0. Okay? So this is how you apply. So what you will get? R1 में change कर रहे हो R2 रख दो ऐसे ही. So what it is 0 1 A inverse is equals to I is what? Minus 1 2 and ऊपर का देखेंगे. So see here R1 is what? 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 क्या होगा? 1 ही. So therefore this is not an issue. So now half minus half of R2. It means what you get 1. So basically either sorry 0 मिलेगा ना. Half minus half is 0. Okay. So we'll see about this. R1 is what here? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. R2 is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 to minus is plus. Half plus half? 1. Okay. Now R1 again. R1 is what? 0 minus 1 by 2. What is R2? 2. So 2 and 2 cancel, minus 1. So minus 1 will remain. So therefore A inverse is equals to what? 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. This is nothing but A inverse. Understood? So let us solve the 12th one. So remaining all questions are of same method itself. So there is no issue. So let this be A matrix. Then A into A inverse will be identity matrix. What is A over here? 6 minus 3 minus 2 1 and A inverse is equal to what is I? 1 0 0 and 2. So as usual start basic. What you have to bring here? You have to bring here 1. So therefore R1 changes to 1 by 6 R1. I mean 1 by 6 into R1. So it will be 1 over here minus 3 into 1 by 6. It is minus 1 by 2 and इधर क्या होगा? 1 by 6 A inverse is equals to 1 by 6 0. So 0 into anything is 0. R2 में कुछ change कर रहा है? No, you are not changing anything. So write as this
sigma.
नहीं वो सहा. Okay. Now let us change for the this number. R2 changes to R2 plus 1 by R2 plus 2 R1. R2 plus 2 R1 किस लिए किया? R2 is what? minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 times R1 is what? 1. So minus 2 plus 2 0 हो जाएगा. तो मेरे को 0 चाहिए था ना, तो इसलिए this operation R2 में अदल बदल कर रहे हो. Are you changing any R1? So therefore write R1 as it is. So 1 minus 1 by 2 A inverse is equal to 1 by 6 0. Okay, so this becomes 0 basically. Now you see here 1 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2. Clear? Minus 1 by 2 क्यों? Because in the numerator, I mean in the row. So this and this cancel. Plus into minus is minus, so it will become 0. Let's check here. So it is 0 plus 2 into 1 by 6. So it is 1 by 3. Now R2 is what again? 1 plus 2 into 0. This remains to be 1. Okay?
3.
Now, 3. 2 into 0 by 0. 2 plus 1. Okay? So this remains 1. So, why did we choose this sum to solve? See here, the main thing is, what did you get in the second row?
0.
किसको 0 करने चले थे हम? इसको 0 करने चले थे? Now, ये भी 0 हो गया. मतलब now if you want to get here 1, what you will do? You cannot use multiplication. It means what? You should use addition. Whenever you use addition for this position, that to this position being 0, हे position से भी नक्शा बदलता है. Okay? If you see here, if I want to bring 1 here, what I have to do? R2 changes to R2 plus 1 by 2 है ना इकडं 1 by 2 R1 करायला लागला असता. ठीक आहे. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 it will be 1 by 4 sorry 2 into and this will be minus R2 is 0 minus of minus 1. Okay. हे फॉर्म्युला लावायला लागला असता. But using this formula what will happen? R2 here हे पोझिशन चेक करूया 0 minus 2 into what is R1? 1 आहे ना इकडं minus 2 आलं असतं रे. This position is changed to minus 2. If the previous number is changing, so the next step करताना previous number change झाला तर तुझा idea flop. So this kind of matrix inverse does not exist. Therefore A inverse does not exist. Understand the property first. अगर ये solve करते समय इसके ऊपर कोई असर पड़ रहा है, then you will not get A inverse. Understood? If you can check the previous sum, ऐसे हो ही नहीं रहा. So there are only two sums like this, that is 12 and 14. If you overcome that, then everything is fine.